Hey, welcome everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a delicious caramel mousse. Let's get started. The ingredients pretty simple. You will need sugar, egg white for the meringue, and flavored gelatin and heavy cream. First, I will make the dry caramel. Start by melting a small amount of sugar with butter over medium-low heat. Gradually add more sugar, stirring until it melts and change color. Finish up by adding the sugar and continue stirring. Once the sugar starts smoking and turns an amber color, remove it from the heat and carefully add the hot heavy cream. Let it cool. Next, soak unflavored gelatin in cold water to bloom. Set aside. Now let's make the Italian meringue. Cook the sugar syrup, then pour the hot syrup into the beaten egg whites until soft peaks form. Transfer the meringue into the smaller bowl and set aside. I use the same mixing bowl with the heavy cream to soft peaks. Set your favorite cake into a ring mold. Today I'm using a red velvet cake with acetate around the ring, or you can use the springform pan. Add the bloom gelatin into the caramel. Reheat the mixture in microwave for 30 seconds to ensure the gelatin dissolves and mix it well. Form the meringue into the caramel mixture. Ensure everything is well combined. Pour the caramel mixture into the whipping cream and gently fold until well combined. Use the spatula or whisk to fold it gently, ensuring you maintain the light and airy texture. Put the mousse into the prepared ring mold and freeze it to set. Once set, remove the ring mold and decorate it as you like. I'm using chantilly cream for a heart shape on the top, but you can get creative. For an extra touch, I add maple sugar and meringue kits. For this dessert plate features a luscious caramel mousse topped with the rich chocolate glaze. It's always a hit when I prepare it for catering events. And there you have it, a delightful caramel mousse. It's a must-try dessert. Make this to impress your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your delicious caramel mousse and see you next time. Bye.